Hello and welcome to another video. I am so glad you are joining me today. Today I have a Beebeecraft unboxing. I placed this order, I think it was on Christmas. I think it came on maybe the 30th. Talk about fast shipping. They sent it via FedEx and it got here so fast. I was so surprised. If you haven't heard of Beebeecraft, it is beebeecraft.com. They have a YouTube program and all you need is 100 subscribers. You get to pick $40 worth of goodies from their website and they send it to you absolutely free. And you have to do 3 videos. You do one unboxing video, which is what I'm going to do today, and then 2 project tutorial videos, and each of the videos are a week apart. I was so excited to choose these items. You will see why. We're going to have so much fun with them. I will link all of the links for these items in the description box below and all of their information down there. Their prices are very reasonable, and like I said, their shipping is super fast and they have free shipping. I think it's on $25 order. They're just a great company to deal with. The customer service is fantastic. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me move those 2 things aside. I went ahead and unpackaged everything. It comes wrapped up in a great deal of bubble wrap. Everything is well protected and wrapped very, very nicely for the trip over here. One of the things I ordered is this adorable daisy trim. It is a bunch of stitched daisies. I thought that would be adorable as a trim on a card, especially with springtime coming up. And it is 7 yards of lace doilies or lace daisy flowers on this roll, and it was $7.49. Now their prices may change by the time you get there because they do run specials and sometimes their things are priced differently, but this was $7.49 for a 7-yard roll, and it is very heavy duty. Each daisy is about 1 inch in diameter, so it's a really nice large trim, and it's going to be a lot of fun to use on cards. Then the next thing I got, one of their brands is Panda Elite. And let me go ahead and open this. I love how it is packaged in these really nice containers. These are 48 pieces of daisy enamel cabochons, and it was $6.79 for this whole package, and they come in some different colors. We have blue and black and orange and yellow and red. Let's see if I'm missing any colors. A dark red and a regular red, and I think that's it. We have these 6 colors. I'll bring them up closer so you can see them. They're very pretty. They are metal. You can see the back. They're a gold colored metal. They do have kind of a weight to them and a little bit of a thickness. I thought they would be a really pretty embellishment on a card. They don't have a hole or anything in them, but they would stick right on the card with a glue dot, I think. These are really, really nice, and I love having this container that they all fit in. I'm excited to use those. That is very, very cool. And then my next item is this. I wanted to give this a try and see how it works. This is a stamp positioner similar to a Misty or the Tim Holtz one. I have the big Tim Holtz stamp positioner and I hardly ever get it out to use because it is very big. This one here measures 6 by 6 and it has this grid and this clear portion. It has a little lip on it. And what you do is you put your paper down in here, and they say you can go ahead and use a little piece of washi tape. Now the expensive ones come with magnets and a magnetic bottom. And then you take your rubber stamp, your clear acrylic stamp, and you put it on this side, and you can stamp it as many times as you need to. And that way, if your paper here is in, taped down, your stamp will always go to the exact same place, and you can position it exactly where you want to on here. I will give this a try and bring you a tutorial on how to use it and how a review on how I like it. This was only $10.09, so it is very economical compared to some of the other ones that you may have seen out there. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how it works. Some people make their own out of a CD case, but this one is quite a bit bigger and it is pretty sturdy, and it certainly is enough if you're stamping a card. And then this is my favorite item that I got. It is cubic sticker tape. And there are these rolls of Bling Tape in all of these fancy designs. There's 2 rolls of each design. Let me take one out and we'll look at it. It is 1.8 by 50 centimeters. And this is the sheet of tape. That would be really pretty on a Christmas card. It reminds me of Christmas lights. And let me measure that out in inches for you. That is 20 inches long. Let me put it up against something white so you can see it really good. There we go. And we have all of these patterns. This set was $15.89 for this whole box of bling. And we have all of these colors. There are 24 of them, 12 different designs. So there we go. There are some pink hearts that I think would be really pretty for Valentine's Day. Let me go ahead and take one of those out. This is pretty. I like it. So here we have the latest order that I received from Beebeecraft. We have this really big box of Bling Tape, which I am excited to use. Many of you know how much I love bling. And this box of daisy cabochons that will go great as embellishments on cards. And then also the daisy trim. This is going to be fun to use on cards. And then I'm really excited to try out this little stamp positioner to see how it works compared to the other more expensive ones. And I will bring you a tutorial and a review on that. Very excited to try that. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button right down there. And while your mouse is there, just click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. go get crafting. Bye-bye.